A call we often get in the office relates to paternity. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Goldman. I'm the managing partner of Goldman and Associates, and I want to talk to you a little bit about paternity and DNA testing. Many times we get calls primarily from fathers, and they will say, I've just been advised that I have a child support obligation regarding a child I didn't even know existed. I met a girl 15 years ago, we had a very brief relationship, and now I'm getting sued for child support. What does a person do in that situation? Well, number one, you're going to owe the child support if it's your child. You're either going to owe it to the mother because she's been taking care of your child, or you're going to owe it to the state of Michigan because they've been paying her state benefits to take care of your child. But you only owe it if you're the father. How do we determine that? Well, the court sets up a situation where a person can actually have DNA testing to rule in or rule out the probability of paternity. If you feel that there's a child you never heard of and all of a sudden you're being asked to pay support, you need to contact us immediately. We need to petition the court to compel DNA testing. We need to do that to determine whether or not you even have this obligation in the first place. Now, it doesn't work the same way for everybody in every circumstance. For example, there's such a thing as a biological father, and there's such a thing as a legal or a putative father. Biological father means the DNA testing. Are you or are you not the father? But you have to understand that a person can be exempt from being the biological, he can be excluded from being the biological father and still be the legal father. How's that possible? Well, if you've been married and you've been holding yourself out as somebody's father for 10 years, and then you get divorced and find out that you've been sterile your whole life, and that baby couldn't have been yours, you may not be the biological father, but that doesn't mean you won't be the legal father, and that doesn't mean the court won't order you to pay support. And you might ask, how can I pay support? Well, how's that fair? How's it fair for me to pay support? The kid's not even mine. My wife must have had another relationship. It's not the way the law works. The law looks at the equities of the situation. The law is not going to bastardize these children without good cause. The law is not going to presume that they have no father all of a sudden. They become fatherless by virtue of the quirk in the law. You can be the legal father even though you're not the biological father. If you think you're caught in that situation and you don't know where to turn, give us a call. Even if you're the legal father, there may still be remedies in terms of getting some child support back, in terms of limiting your future exposure for child support. Those kind of things need to be discussed with a competent firm who knows how to handle it. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out.